Hi, I'm Rachel and I'm part of the incredible Ronseal team. My job at Ronseal is to make sure the product does exactly what it says on the tin. So me and the team at Ronseal have created these videos with tips and tricks to help you with your DIY journey. In this video, we're going to show you how you can spruce up your bathroom on a budget. No need to rip out tiles or replace bathroom suites. Simply give it a lick of paint and give it a whole new lease of life. It's as easy as that. One eyesore for many bathrooms is mould, but Ronseal's 6-year anti-mould paint will sort that. It's a tough scrubbable finish and helps keep your paint mould free.
Firstly, prep the room, opening windows and putting down dust sheets. If you already have mould, spray some 3-in-1 mould killer first. Otherwise, sand off any flaking paint and thoroughly stir the tin before pouring into a tray and coating your roller. 2 coats is the norm, but when painting on dark colours you may need more. Wait 4 hours between coats and 24 hours before having a shower or a bath. Job's a good 'un. Now for the tiles.
Whatever the reason you have for changing your tiles, Ronseal 1-coat tile paint is perfect. It's durable, easy to clean, waterproof and stays mould resistant. Plus it saves you a load of money on replacing tiles.
After giving them a clean, stir the paint. Apply 1 coat of the paint working vertically, but don't worry about getting it into the grout line. Just wait 24 hours before getting the tiles wet. Then you can redefine the grout line with our 1-coat grout pen. Shake until you hear it rattle. Hold the nib down on some paper until white paint starts to come out. You can use it just like a normal pen, and if you get any in your tiles, just use a damp cloth to remove it. Like the paint, it takes a day to dry.
If you have scratches, chips or cracks in your bathroom suite, our Ronseal repair kit will sort that right out. It works on enamel, fiberglass, porcelain and acrylic.
Make sure the area is clean and dry. Test the colour of the enamel first, then lightly sand the damaged area and wipe down with a damp cloth. Squeeze out as much filler as you need and mix a small amount of hardener like an artist's palette. Using the applicator, pack the filler into the chip, leaving it slightly raised above the surface. Once dry, sand to a smooth finish. For enamel and porcelain, use the brown sandpaper. For ceramic, acrylic and fiberglass, use the black sandpaper with a little bit of water. You can finish with Touch-Up Enamel.
Ronseal's Touch-Up Enamel is the perfect touch-up for flaws, scratches and minor damage on kitchen and bathroom appliances.
After shaking the bottle for 2 minutes, apply 1 thin coat and wait 2 hours to dry. Do a second coat and you're done. 1 spruced up bathroom on a budget.
Whatever your bathroom project is, Ronseal has the product perfect for you.
Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.